Hey everybody, today we're going to change an outlet. So first, we've already pulled off the faceplate. You can get this little electrical tester here. These guys are going to cost you a couple bucks, but that's going to tell you that your power's on. Next, you're going to come into your breaker box. You're probably going to hit that one, but just to be safe, we'll probably hit that one too. Oh, there's still power there. Let's go hit more breakers. Well, it might have taken 10 minutes, but we did finally find it, and now the power is off. So next, we're going to go in there and pull these guys out. A little pro safety tip here: never touch two wires at the same time, even if the power's off. That's what you're gonna find. A black one over here, a white one over there, and a bare one on the bottom. So we know our power's off. We go in here and loosen. Now, when we know we're replacing, as far as I'm concerned, get your drill, whatever, spin them right out unless you're planning on reusing it. The point we're trying to make here is try to keep those wires in the same position. Bends in electrical only lead to breaks, and breaks in electrical are no good. On the back of these, you're going to see here, it says hot wire, white wire. Tells you what side. If you look on our old one, you had the hot wire hooked up to the top here, the white wire hooked up to the bottom here. You had your bare wire down here. That's exactly what we're going to do again here. Now, when you're going to put these on, again, am I an electrician? Absolutely not. If you're not confident in doing this, should you call an electrician? Probably. If you have the power off, this isn't rocket science, and that's why I'm showing it to you today. So, it takes a little twist, but remember when you're putting these on, get the loops so that the direction you're turning down the screw to tighten onto the wire is turning in the direction so that as it tightens down, it sucks the wire into the turn. If you do it the other way, when you tighten down, you're just loosening it out, and that's how you can get loose wires. There's electrician friends out there who will tell you differently, but this is how I do it. Now, same thing, other side, you're gonna get that guy hooked on there. So that loop so that it's open to the right direction, so your screw is tightening it down and pulling it in. I'm sure electricians will tell me I've done something wrong here, but I will tell you, wired outlets like this for 25 years or so, and I've yet to have a problem. Does that mean it's right? No. If your state or local people say you're not allowed to do this to your own house, well, number one, I'm sorry for you. And number two, then you probably shouldn't do it. You'll just get yourself in trouble. But if you are allowed to work on your home on your own, which I certainly believe everybody should be allowed to do, to some extent anyway, then this will resolve your outlet. I'm going to give you a little secret. I always recommend you use these designer outlets that are flat on the front. They just give it a little fresher look. And it doesn't matter what color you're using. That's all design preference. This here is the only purpose for straight head screws in the world today. Because in this situation, they are a little handy. Ta-da! And you have replaced an outlet in less than 5 minutes. Now I'm going to tell you a secret. An electrician, they're going to charge you $100 to come out here. That outlet, it's going to cost you another $35 to $50 to replace it. That's a $150 bill that you just saved in 5 minutes. So if you think I could help you out with some more things around the house, give me a follow.